Have you ever wondered how plants eat? Unlike you and me who have to eat food for energy, plants can make their own food. Plants make sugar that can be stored for later use. They build sugars using particles that they get from carbon dioxide gas, water, and light, which provides the spark of energy that makes the whole process happen. This is called photosynthesis. Matter is made of particles called atoms, which fit together like Legos to create different structures called molecules. These atoms and molecules are far too small for us to see, but when there are many of them together, they can make a big object that we can see, such as a cookie. One type of atom that is important for life is called carbon, which together with oxygen and hydrogen connect together to make a molecule called sugar, which we all need to consume for energy. Sugar is a carbon-rich compound that is in every cookie you've ever had, and it just so happens to also be a plant's favorite meal. But instead of buying it at the store, they have to make the sugar from scratch. Making sugar is like making cookies. It's always better when Grandma makes it from an old, perfected recipe. Plants make sugar using the same recipe that's been used for millions of years in billions of life forms, and they've gotten really good at it too. Many would think that photosynthesis is one quick thing that plants just do, but just like its name, there are two parts. Photosynthesis can be broken down into two root words, photo meaning light, and synthesis meaning to make. During the day, plants are hard at work using light energy to break down water into oxygen atoms that the plant breathes out and hydrogen atoms that are used as energy for building sugar molecules. Plants can't make any sugar without energy from the sun, so they have to save some of the light energy from the day to make sugar at night. Plants take in CO2 and use the energy they obtain from light to break the CO2 into carbon and oxygen atoms. They then use the carbon and oxygen atoms along with hydrogen atoms for more water to build the sugar. Plants must synthesize the sugar they want to eat from the building blocks around them. Sugar is made from a long string of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms all stuck together. Some of those sugars are the same ones that you can taste and break down too. For instance, this is why when you take a bite of an apple, it's so sweet. Scientists called bioengineers focus on learning how nature does processes like photosynthesis in order to figure out how humans can utilize them. When scientists looked at photosynthesis, they found they could use the light harnessing secrets to make solar energy panels, and although these panels do not make sugar, they still capture light just like leaves. Photosynthesis is a part of our everyday, so next time you see a plant, make sure you say thank you.